Yeah. Beanie hears noises and he's thinking, I should be worried. I better look around for danger. Yeah, danger, danger. Beanie. Yeah, he loves to perch on my leg. One of his favorite things to do. Ah, you're so cute. Cutie. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, here's the noise. What's that? Okay.